How to use ChatGPT effectively. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT effectively to get the best results. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Instead of asking general questions, give detailed instructions. For example, instead of saying, "Tell me about AI," say, "Explain AI in simple terms with real-world examples." If you need a follow-up answer, mention the previous details. For example, if you're asking about marketing strategies, specify your industry and audience. You can request it to respond as a teacher, coder, writer, or any expert. Example, act as a fitness coach and create a 7-day workout plan. If the answer isn't what you expected, type "make it simpler," "give me more details," or summarize it in bullet points. Generate emails, social media posts, study notes, or even summarize long articles. If you don't get the best response, rephrase your question or ask, "Can you explain this in another way?" Ask for book summaries, language learning tips, or coding explanations to enhance your knowledge. Use it for brainstorming ideas, writing scripts, or generating creative content like poems, jokes, and stories. Use it with Google for fact-checking or mix it with other AI tools for design, coding, or automation. That's how you can use ChatGPT effectively to improve your workflow and creativity. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more AI tips. Also, let me know in the comments how you use ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.